What? Is that a dead fucking animal? What happened here? Oh my god. I killed something, that's for sure. Something died. And it wasn't pleasant. I'm a Subaru. The whole engine bay is just fucking smoking like crazy. Look at this fucking thing. Down here smoking like crazy. This is stupid. Pretty sure it's my dump tube that's dropping the oil onto the ground. Oh no, it's my exhaust. I got an exhaust leak. Oh shit. What's going on, guys? Joey400 back with another Vnotes. I found the problem to my leaking car leaking oil. And it is, in fact, the exhaust between each connector, each weld flange. The oil is basically dripping from the turbo into from the turbo to the downpipe to the exhaust, the test pipe, and then it's leaking through each flange from the test pipe to the catback. So I'm gonna go ahead and put new gaskets on, and hopefully it will stop leaking and get my dad pissed, well, my roommates. So let's get to it. Okay, onto the car, got it jacked up. One jack stand, no big deal. As you can see, okay, look at this, dude. What in God's name has happened? There's like hair on it. There's rust, there's fucking piece of 911. The fuck? Is that a dead fucking animal? What happened here? Oh my God. I killed something, that's for sure. Something died. And it wasn't pleasant. Jesus Christ. A crime scene under here. Wow. Okay. Whoa, what's going on? Is this rust or blood? It's freaking me out. Ew. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit. And it's leaking here too. Not that much, but it is. So let's go ahead and clean this shit. You can still see smoke fucking still in my exhaust. A lot of water, oil. No big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out, clean the test pipe out, and then clean my AFR sensor, which is right here. As you can see, it's fucking, oh shit, this is hard to do. Pretty fucking dirty, so I'm gonna use some contact cleaner. Hopefully it can make it work again, so yeah. But this thing's pretty fucking gross. Look at all that shit. Ew. Yep. Well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is I found the leak and it's fixable for cheap. Bad news is, as you can see, Sunshine State of Florida has decided to fucking storm and rain, and yeah, I can't go to the auto parts store because KTM does not like driving in the rain. So I'm gonna wait for the rain to stop. Then I'm gonna have to get some gaskets, because let me show you the look of these gaskets. I mean, they are usable, but they're worn and it's just gonna leak again. I mean, I could silicone the fuck out of it, but like, that's corroded. I'm not gonna use that. So I gotta go get some new gaskets, and then I gotta get some contact cleaner for the sensor. So I'm gonna wait for this rain to stop, and then I'll be heading to the store, unless Pico wants to do me a solid, because he's on his way here to go get me those parts. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. car run to see if the oil drips out of the exhaust and goes right onto the floor or out of the downpipe. I can't even fucking breathe in my garage, there's so much smoke. But I should just swap out the turbo right now and just put my stock one back in. But the turbine's broken, so I won't build any boost, but won't be smoking. It's fucking annoying. Stroker. So I'm gonna let this run, and once it starts dripping, I'll start videoing. I think I should two-step. Probably not the best idea, but I'm gonna fucking do it. Well, I'm not gonna two-step because I just ran out of fucking gas. Fucking retarded. God damn it. Well, now I gotta get something else. E85, contact cleaner, gaskets. So before I go to the store, let's see all the oil. Some oil, yeah. Guess it wasn't on long enough. That's weird. Let's go fuck myself then. Oil in here. And a little bit. But yeah. No oil yet. A little bit. You made it. You got gaskets?
I don't have any in my garage. I looked there, but I want to check my trunk. How about this one? Just fucking punch me in the face. I mean, just punch me in the face.
Like, what is this? Funeral and car wash? Funeral home and car wash. It's fucking sick. Sick Cali plate, bro.
Oh, you like that?
Let's not put it on.
You like that classic? Oof. That classic plate. $100
plate? Is that Japanese plate?
$100 sticker. Yeah, it's my original.
Let me get that, bro.
No.
I'll put it on.
5289 horsepower.
Let me get it, dude.
Oh, dude.
You don't need it, bro.
Dude, read, bro.
So, if things couldn't get even more worse, so I filled my brake reservoir yesterday, and it's already below max, and I filled it 2 weeks ago, and it was almost empty. So, I checked all the lines. I checked the calipers, I checked the barrel of the wheel to see if it was leaking from there. I checked the lines going all the way here, all the way through the back, and I checked the brake booster and all that shit. And I called up Jack from HP Logic, and he says the brake booster might be leaking internally. So I don't know how much that is. I don't know if it's under warranty. I know when I got this car within 2 years, I had to bring it back to the dealership for something, a brake switch warranty. So hopefully I can talk to them, because I can't fucking keep up. I mean, I guess when you make power, shit breaks, I guess. So, I mean, it's really not a big deal. I just got to keep filling the reservoir up, but I mean, that's just annoying, dude. So Pico went to go drop something off to the mail, and then he's gonna go get me some gaskets or something like that. So, other than that, I'm gonna work on this for a little bit, and then I might stop by HP to see if Jack can just take a closer look at my brake booster and all that stuff. And you know, I'm really debating on taking the turbo out now and seeing if I could switch the seal out. Maybe it's not even a seal, maybe it's maybe it's just a line going to the block, like the little copper fitting that's worn, that's leaking. I'm just over it. So yeah, so let's stay tuned. Stay here with me. Not do anything. You're my best friend. We got gaskets. And demonetized now. Alright, just like you guys just saw, I got a whole bunch of gaskets. I'm just gonna pick out the ones that fit the best, and I'm probably gonna double stack them on each side of the test pipe. and that should stop the leak. And yeah, we'll be done with that. But next I gotta figure out this whole brake booster situation with the, you know, the fucking brake reservoir depleting. So let's get to work. Public, so look who I run into. Junk. Look at that junk right there. What's going on, guys? Before I end this video, as you can see, yeah, I just woke up, and also I got a package, and it's something that is so simple and something that I should have gotten like a year ago, and it's going to be an extended coupling. This extended coupling is gonna stop so many problems, like my intercore piping off, and oil going onto my fan, and oil going onto the floor from the intercore piping popping off. So let me show you how much bigger it is in relation to the other one. Regular one, as you can see, it's ripped. I have this shitty ass clamp on there, but I have more in my garage. And there's the other one. So go ahead and put this on. It's 2.5 inch, same size as that. I think it's a 6-inch coupling. I think it's 6 inches. Well, mine's not 6 inches, so yeah, this won't help. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. All right, looks a little ignorant, but it's not bad. I kind of like it. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's a little too big, but it was kind of annoying because it was brand new, and I put this on. I wasn't able to adjust it because it was so tight on there, and it wouldn't reach that side. So everything's Gucci. Looks good. It's not gonna pop off. If it pops off, I swear I'm driving this car into a lake. And I got some really good news. So I gotta adjust that back one. See how it's like halfway on? Look at that. It's hanging on a thread. But yeah. Got some really good news with Stroker. Monday is the day. We're starting on my car, bringing my car to Tico's house. We're starting to take it apart. I'm picking up Rob's car from his house, driving it to Tico's, gonna start doing everything. I found out that I need a new clutch master cylinder, well, like a slave cylinder, but I need the whole master as well. So I'm gonna get that from MMA Performance. I forgot that the clutch on the Evo uses the brake fluid reservoir for the brakes and for the clutch. And that's why my brake reservoir has been leaking. It's because my slave master cylinder or whatever is leaking. And that's also why my car is leaking onto the driveway. It's not oil, it's brake fluid, which is no good. So honestly, you know, talking about my car recently and all that stuff, everyone's like, oh my God, everything's breaking. And honestly, it's only like 2 things: the turbo seal and fucking now the clutch master, which, I mean, it drives fine. It just, when I try to put it in gear, sometimes it blocks me out, and when I have my foot down on the clutch in first gear, it rolls a little bit. But it's still drivable. But if I just put a turbo on here, it wouldn't smoke or anything. So the motor's fine. I'm sure it's worn, like I said earlier, but whatever. So if you guys like this video, please push that like button, push that subscribe button. If you have anything to say, put it in the comments. Also, like I usually tell you guys, tell everyone, I need to get to 10K subscribers, not only for the t-shirts, but to also finance some builds that are going into this car. So yeah, and I also have a Twitch account, which will be listed right here. If you guys want to check me out on Twitch, I play Call of Duty Blackout, and it's a lot of fun, honestly. So my setup's kind of weird. I'm still using the Kinect for audio and video, and you know, I have my headset and stuff like that. So the quality's not that great, but the gameplay's awesome. So stay tuned. See you guys next time. Peace.